This is not gonna go well.
The best angle of buckling both sides. We'll go to, oh, she's buckling. Yep, GG's.
Welcome back, fam. Today we are going to be doing the most cringiest thing a car stance person could be doing to their own car. I'm going to be kind of showing you guys what not to do when you have tight fitment. I'm gonna be taking one for the team. Well, not really, because it's already messed up. We're gonna try not to mess up the left side because we're trying to keep that side still, even though I have the new fenders for both sides. Not everything has to be done at the shop. Like, I understand if you don't want to change your camber arms or your toe arms or your tie rods. I understand if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but if it's a fender, that's super easy. It's all just bolts and put the new one in. And I'm gonna be painting mine, but you can also get yours already painted and all that, so super easy.
Yeah. Sounds aggressive.
It's got popping bangs. I don't know how I'm gonna destroy my fender. This is scary.
Go ahead. I'm telling y'all now, pre-destroyed left fender. Huh?
This is not gonna go well. Usually when I back up, I try to keep the wheels straight so I don't buckle my fenders, but in this case, we're gonna have to turn our wheels to buckle the fenders. So let me get in a better position. Let me see which way I'd have to go. So I guess I have to turn to the left and back so I can buckle that fender. Woo, here we go. Is it buckling? Woo. Imagine I ripped my tire like that.
Oh, she's bugging. Yep, GG's. GG's.
If you're trying to avoid buckling your fender and you have a stanced car, then all you have to do is back up straight and no full turns. Going up the driveway. Sheesh, that was like way worse than before. Ooh! So it buckled right here. Guess when I was turning, it got stuck on the lip, and yeah. If you have a stance car and with tight fitment, don't back up and turn. It's a good thing we're changing the fender. You know? Yes, take a look at the L fender. But it's okay, guys, because after today, you're not gonna see an L fender ever coming from me, you know? Let's check for cracks. Honestly, I'm just like the best driver in the world. No cracks, no wheel cracks, man. I'm gonna go look at those wheels.
Mine are mint.
For real.
My friends, we're gonna remove this terrible fender. The time has come. Excuse me. Time to go. Time to let go. If you guys want it as a souvenir, just comment down below.
That shit's going in the
I'll
garbage.
ship it out to you guys. Oh my gosh, it could be decoration for your shed, for your streaming.
No.
Right there on the wall.
No.
This is a perfect decoration for streaming.
That thing's going to the
Memories,
junkyard.
Memories of when I first went camber. Look how rusted these screws are, guys. That's pretty hard to take off. As you guys can see, this fender was super thin because that's how we cut it. And the goal for this one is to not cut it that thin so it's not easily buckled. This is gonna hurt. I put tape on this side because it doesn't have that. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
There's no way.
So that it stays on. And you guys want safety, so I'm doing it for you guys, honestly.
Your head looks like an egg.
It's definitely like sliding off still. I don't think the tape is enough.
Yep.
Let me get more tape. Maybe if I put it like up here.
Oh my god. Yeah, I know. It looks... it looks funny.
I feel feel like with these, I can't see what I'm doing, but it's protection, right?
Can you let your subscribers know too that you choose to do this and I would do it, but you don't want me to do it? Can you let them know that? Because they always make it seem like I'm being an boyfriend and making you do all this crap.
Before we get started or do anything, I want to clear up the air because apparently there's, some misunderstanding there. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy doing and getting my hands dirty when it comes to my car. I like putting in the work so that I can look back at it and be like, you know what? I did that. I took the wheels. I lowered it. Sometimes I do have to ask for Dante for help because it either be heavy or really like stripped or something. I try to ask for help like at the very last minute when I try everything out and I know that I can't do it. That's when I ask for help. And even when I ask for help, I don't like asking for help because I like to do it all on my own. So it's okay. It's okay that I'm doing it. It's okay that I'm getting my hands dirty. I enjoy this.
Hey, this turned into a motivational speech. I was just telling them to, like...
Oh, it's just more than that. It's more than just not, you doing it. Like, I like the parts.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Carry on, run it. Go down for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the insult, on my mind is you talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
My arms so bad. So I think we hammered it pretty good. It's clear. I hammered it in here. Guys, I was just kidding. I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna leave it like this.
Good. It'll be so much better. That little piece right there is gonna be the problem.
This corner was touching the tire. It was literally sitting on the tire and like putting pressure. So we're just gonna have to flatten this corner out just by grinding it right in the middle, and then this will be the only flat spot that we have. Okay, I just finished sanding the whole fender. I didn't get to do the corners really good, but I'm gonna have to do that when I take the fender off to paint it. We're still cutting because when I took it out, it was rubbing the tire. I got out the car and I seen a whole circle of tire. It's rubbing pretty bad, and that was just coming out the driveway. So imagine like constantly driving 60 miles per hour. The whole tire would be gone probably. So it's hitting from this corner. Primer is on. Next step will be the actual color. I'm thinking, I should do the square right here. The equator right there. After this long process, I've came to the conclusion that it's better to just order the fender painted, because it's just a lot you have to do. It's not just painting. You gotta prep it, you gotta paint it, then you gotta like polish and finish it. It's just too much. My fingers are like cramped. I'm gonna try with my left hand now. Fam, that is gonna conclude our video for today. The results, no, the results are terrible. I suggest if you're gonna get a new fender, if you need a new fender, just get it painted already done by the shop or by the whatever website you're getting it from. They usually come already painted, or you can just get them already primed. But just take it from me, get it already painted, because it's a long process and it's not worth it. I had to sand it, I had to prime it, then I had to put the clear coat, and I feel like I did a terrible job. This is going to be a temporary fender. It's better than silver at least, right? It's somewhat close to the color of my car, so we'll take it. I'll take it for now. I'm gonna be rocking this Fender until, you know, we get it wrapped. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys do not buckle your Fender at home. Do not try that at home. I only did it for fun. I only did it because it was already broken. It was already baking. So I said, why not? Let's just destroy it a little bit more. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace. Yeah, definitely came out terrible. But you know what? It's only temporary until we get it wrapped for sure. I'm so disappointed though. I thought it was gonna come out perfect.